Hello, me again, the British Kabayan. I'm just going to do a little piece to camera to add to the video that J-Boy took yesterday. It was J-Boy's day off, 2nd of January, and today, 3rd of January, and he wanted to go on our Ain Dubai, which is the big wheel. It's the tallest wheel in Dubai, and you've seen it on some of our other videos from JBR, and I've told you that I've seen it being built, etc, etc. So yesterday was the big day. We'd already been on a recce, we'd found out the costs, etc, a while back, and yesterday we decided it was the day to go on the wheel. And we wake up to thunder and lightning and high winds and high rain, and we've worked out after 2 weeks staying at Ibis Al Barsha that there is a free bus that goes from Ibis Al Barsha to Bluewater, the island where Ain Dubai is. So Joshua, J-Boy, leaves home at Riga at 8 a.m, gets to the metro to discover that because 2nd of January is a bank holiday, public holiday, the metro hasn't started at 6 a.m. So he sends me a message telling me that he's going to be arriving at 8:35 a.m. Unfortunately, by then I'm in Ibis Al Barsha having my breakfast, having dropped off my stuff at Adagio, the new apartment, because I didn't want to have another breakfast in Ibis styles after the way I was treated on the 1st of January. So I get a message around 9 o'clock to say I've already dropped my stuff off at Adagio. This was from J-Boy, my laundry, and then he walked on down to the Ibis Hotel. We had a very nice breakfast together, and then at 10 o'clock, we went next door to buy some clothes, that yellow jacket you just saw, to keep me warm in the rain. And then we went onto the minibus, and we had some mince pies and some hot chocolate on the minibus that we got from the Starbucks in Ibis Al Barsha. And then we got taken in this free minibus all the way to Bluewater, and it took maybe 15-20 minutes, something like that, not very long. So having had the previous vlog that you've seen where we went on the walk to the metro, went on the metro, went on the tram, went on the water taxi and walked over the bridge, we arrived free of charge on the site, in 15 minutes. Amazing. So we then proceeded to walk down to the big wheel, and we noticed that there was queues of people on either side. It's like the big wheel is in the center, and you can come in from the left or you can come in from the right to go into the ticket office. And they have all these barriers and everything set up, because they expect to have 200 or 300 people queuing to go on the wheel at any one time. MK and I went to Naya Tanda, and I read in this book that you should have the buffet. The buffet's really good. And we didn't get there the time before. They hadn't got the buffet ready. So this time we decided to have the buffet. We went later, and we went and got all this food off the buffet, which was just amazing. And then they bring one of these over, like but twice as big, with all grilled meats on the top: chicken, fish, steak, lamb, everything. about the Middle East, and it was about the food is amazing, the people are fantastic. Do you see how look at the juice there?